Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexis Conway, and if you're new here, which you might be, this is only my second video. This channel focuses on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, and also a sprinkle of some travel vlogs. So this video will be focusing on my everyday makeup look. It takes me between like 5 and 10 minutes, honestly, super quick, and just something that I'd like to do for every day when I'm going to fittings, seeing someone, getting some lunch, out running errands, that type of thing. So if you're interested in learning about some products that you might not have in your makeup bag, or just how I do my everyday makeup look, then stay tuned, stay watching. Continue watching this video is what I'm trying to say. But yeah. Hey everyone, first things first, it's a must that I moisturize my lips, so I'm going to go in with Iliad Beauty's Lip Wrap Hydrating Mask. Next, I want to make sure I have a nice clean foundation before I put on my makeup, so I'm going to go in with Mario Badescu's Witch Hazel and Lavender Toner with a cotton pad. This is my favorite everyday moisturizer. It's Neutrogena's oil-free moisturizer with SPF 15. I clearly need a new bottle, but I love this stuff. When I rub it in, I try and do an upward motion because we're trying to defy gravity here, people. Next up, I'm going to use Ole Henriksen's Banana Bright Eye Cream to moisturize my under eyes and prep it for concealer. This is one of my favorite products from Rare Beauty. It's their illuminating primer, and it just gives a nice glowy hydrating base under your makeup. And if you haven't tried it already, I suggest you give it a try. This is Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist from Rare Beauty, another favorite of mine. I like to line my brows with Rare Beauty's Brow Harmony in the shade Deep Brown, and this just makes it easier for when I go in with a micro brow pencil to fill in the rest of my eyebrows. This is NYX Cosmetics Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown, and it's giving Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil, but half the price. This is Rare Beauty's concealer, and I'm in the shade 360W. And I think something good to note about Rare Beauty is that their stuff is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and I love that. So I put this under my eyes as well as pointing upward from the corners of my eyes and blemishes. This is also me realizing I'm using the wrong brush, but I blend this out, and don't worry about making it too perfect because I'm also going to put foundation on over this. Still going for a minimal, easy breezy look. Next is Rare Beauty's foundation. I'm the shade 380W, and I just put a little in the center of my face and sort of blend out from the center going outward because I want to focus more of it in the center of my face. I do take a bit of time just to blend it out and make sure that there isn't any kind of blotchy spots on my face, and then take the beauty blender just to kind of blend it all together. I meant to do this step earlier, but this is Anastasia's Clear Brow Gel, and I love to do this just to keep my brows in place during the day. Next is Fenty Beauty's Matchstick, and I am in the shade Truffle, and I sort of just put it on the most prominent parts of my jawline and cheekbone structure and just blend it out so that it is all cohesive. I love this blush. It is Kaja Beauty's Mochi Pop Bouncy Blendable Blush in the shade Atmosphere. I love this color and I love the consistency of this blush. It's very creamy, blendable, easy to use, and I just love it for an everyday makeup look. Some days when I do my makeup, I'll go without a highlight, but this is Rare Beauty's Liquid Luminizer in the shade Transcend, and I love it. It's like a rose gold, nice color. Next, to tone down my T-zone throughout the day, I'll use Ilia Beauty's Magic Sands. It's a radiant translucent powder and it has SPF 20, which I love, and just lightly sort of brush it along my T-zone area. Next up is Bite Beauty's Upswing Full Volume Mascara, and as you can tell, I've been using this. I love it. They're another vegan, cruelty-free brand, as well as Ilia Beauty's products. To line my lips, I like to use NYX Cosmetics Waterproof Lip Liner in the shade Need Me. I forgot to show this one to you guys, but this is Kaja Beauty's lip gloss in the shade Beachy Nude, and I love this. It's the perfect nude lip gloss. Setting my face again with Rare Beauty's Optimist Spray. I love it. It's so refreshing and lightweight, and that is all for my everyday makeup look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.